Hello students of class 10. Today I will continue the soil part and today I will start the soil erosion part. So what is soil erosion? The wearing away or the removal of the topsoil by weathering agent like running water is called wearing away. The wearing away or removal of the topsoil of the earth by natural agents like running water, wind, glacier, etc. are or by overgrazing by human activities is known as soil erosion. Okay. Now, in first we will read about the causes of soil erosion. The causes. There are different causes or several causes for the soil behind the soil erosion. The first point is the surface runoff. The first point is surface runoff. The surface runoff or running water is considered the prime factor for soil erosion. The soil erosion is mainly done by the work of wind, natural agents, etc. Next is the wind. In the dry region, first point is surface runoff. Number 2 is wind. In the dry region, because of the lack of vegetation, the soil is very much loose, and in that soil, the wind can easily blow the soil and soil erosion takes place. Next up is nature of rainfall. Rainfall. Heavy incessant rainfall means heavy continuous rainfall may cause soil erosion. If there is heavy rainfall, heavy and continuous rainfall for a long period of time, it can cause soil erosion. Number 4 is topography. Topography. If the slope of the land is steep, it will aggravate soil erosion, and if it is gentle, then the amount of soil erosion will be less. Next, there is number 5th point is excessive pressure of population. When there is excessive pressure of population, what will happen? People will cut the vegetative matter. They will destroy the forested land. They will clear the forested area and make room or place for settlement, make place for agriculture, and in this way the agricultural land will increase, and in deforestation causes soil erosion, because we know that soil, the root of the trees hold the soil tightly. So if there is lack of vegetative cover in a particular region, if there is too much deforestation, then soil erosion occurs. Number 6 is overgrazing. Overgrazing by animals like cow, cat, buffalo, goat can remove the topsoil of the top layer of the soil. Because of continuous overgrazing, the top layer of the soil gets removed, and thereby it may causes excessive rate of soil erosion. Next point is unscientific mining. Mining activity without proper technological knowledge or unscientific way of mining can causes excessive rate of soil erosion, because they wear away the soil without any proper planning and thereby causes soil erosion. Next, landslides in the mountainous region. Landslide in the mountainous region may cause soil erosion, because from the what happen in case of landslides, the pebbles, boulders come down from the mountain top following the slope of the land and accumulate in the foothill region, and thereby it may cause soil erosion. Next is deforestation, means excessive cutting of trees. If we cut more and more trees, if we destroy the vegetative cover of the region, if we destroy crops, forest, then it may cause a soil erosion. And last of all, conventional methods of farming. Conventional methods of farming means old method of farming. When the old or traditional method of farming is followed, then the soil erosion can occur because it is not doing according to the scientific way, and when it is not going on scientifically, it may cause soil erosion. Now the regions which are prone to soil erosions are in India: Rajasthan, Aravalli Range, Chambal Valley, foothill region of Himalayas, eastern part of Gujarat, Indo-Gangetic Plain, then western part of Madhya Pradesh, southwest Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. These are the soil erosion prone part of our country. So from the soil erosion part, both the three, that is causes, measures and preventive measures and consequences, all are important. You have to go through the part properly. For the causes part, from 10 points you have to read any 6 along with explanation. Explanation, introduction is highly needed for writing any broad answers, and this part is important for broad part. Okay, in the next video I will continue this chapter. Thank you class.